Stand right there, Isaac. Isaac, stand right next to your sister.
Okay.
Trying to get. Yeah, that should work. Take your glasses. Take your glasses off.
Okay, so I'm perfect.
Stand right there. Don't go anywhere today.
Oh.
That's a good spot.
I'm gonna go get a hat.
No.
No.
Let's just do this. We're not gonna just be here all night.
Okay, so what do we?
Whatever. There's the.
What's that word again?
Challenge.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna do the challenge.
The ice bucket challenge.
I'm Tanae, and I'm gonna challenge the Mayfield family. Who's the Mayfield? Jacob and Audrey. There you go. I'm gonna challenge Mr. Michael. Daddy.
Okay. All right. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Stand right there.
Get ready to run out there.
You don't need to run anywhere.
Is there any action there?
No, it's all melted.
How
Oh,
that's-
you guys gotta face the camera. Look at the camera. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
It's awesome.